Thank you for joining us. First at 6, Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill has resigned. Hill making the announcement this morning in front of the Colleton County Courthouse with her attorney close by.
Our Conley Grayson was there. So Conley, what's next for Hill?
Tessa, Katie, Becky Hill said she will not run for re-election and will now focus on being a wife, mother, and grandmother. She said it's been a pleasure to serve for the past 4 years and reflected on the accomplishments the clerk's office had achieved since she started the role. Becky Hill taking the stand again, this time outside of the courtroom, to resign as Colleton County's Clerk of Court.
Managing a trial with such importance to the people of South Carolina, as well as of the national and international media, interest and public scrutiny, and has caused me to reflect upon decisions involving my stay in the office of the Clerk of Court.
Hill and her attorney, Justin Bamberg, say it will benefit the people of Colleton County and any potential candidates interested in replacing her.
If Becky was still serving while those candidates were campaigning, every time they mention something, every time there's an article, every time there's a forum and candidates are discussing the future that they see to create for the courthouse behind us, there'll be a degree of a cloud over that, because it'll be talking about the sitting clerk, etc.
The step down comes as Hill is under scrutiny for many controversial accusations.
Today is not in response to any new development of some investigation or anything like that. Today is about the people of Colleton County.
Hill was accused of tampering with the jury during the infamous Murdaugh double murder trial, and later took the stand to try and clear her name. Although Justice Jean Toll denied Murdaugh a retrial, she didn't let Hill off easy.
I find that the Clerk of Court is not completely credible as a witness. Ms. Hill was attracted by the siren call of celebrity.
We respect her decision in court. We respect her review of things and the comments that she made. She is former Chief Justice Toll.
From corralling jurors to now corralling grandkids, Hill's time in the courtroom is over.
It has been my honor and pleasure to serve as your Colleton County Clerk of Court over these past 4 years.
Governor Henry McMaster accepted Hill's resignation and appointed probate court judge Seth Utsey to serve in the role in the interim, which is required by state law. Becky Hill's son, Jeffrey, has been accused of spying on Deputy Colleton County Administrator Megan Utsey. She's the probate judge's wife and Hill's former supervisor at the county. Jeff Hill was fired as Colleton County's technology director after SLED charged him last year with wiretapping. He reportedly spied on calls and emails to get updates about ethics complaints against his mother. The South Carolina Law Enforcement Division said they are investigating the possibility Hill may have abused her government position for financial gain. And Katie, especially regarding her actions concerning the book she published about the trial.
Yeah, that's right. The book Behind the Doors of Justice, The Murdaugh Murders, was actually pulled off shelves back in December after Becky Hill admitted to plagiarizing. Conley, thank you. Hill's co-author Neil Gordon spoke with News 4 today after Hill's announcement. He said he was interviewed as part of SLED's investigation just last Friday.
Yeah, and Gordon said investigators wanted to know how many times Hill did interviews, book signings, speaking engagements, and when and where they occurred. Now, this was Gordon's second interview with SLED. He said the first one was at the end of last year. Gordon said he had also been interviewed by the South Carolina Ethics Commission on when the book was thought of and when he and Hill started writing. Gordon said Hill's resignation must be a sense of relief for her and said it's probably time. We then asked if he thought Hill had used her position for financial gain.
We put the book together in just a couple of months and did a promotional tour that overlapped with times during the day. The question is, of course, when you're an elected official, do you have PTO? Do you have vacation time? What is your time? What is the people's time? And that's something maybe for SLED to determine.
SLED said the investigation is active and ongoing. They declined to comment further.